Got it. Let's see what we got this time. Let's see what we got this time. That's pretty good size. Looks like a little creek bass. Yeah, he's pretty. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. I'll get still just a second. Another nice looking red eye. Got him. I didn't realize I had one on. Thought I was hung for a minute. Come on. Another nice looking red eye. Tallapoosa bass.